Okay, so I'm in Toronto. Very happy about that. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I'm with my friend that I met while I was in Japan, and she's actually from Canada too. But I am so excited to be here with her. I'm gonna meet her in literally, I need to leave this place in 2 minutes. I need to leave. So I'm gonna use the bathroom and then I'm gonna meet her at Peter Pan Bistro. So let's go, y'all. Hey, hey, hey. This is what we're rocking with today. It's been a while since I've been in the city. The city is pretty like a fan, just like a flower. Something to see in tower. Peter Pan Bistro. Hi, good, how are you?
It's actually nice. Lillet. I kind of like that. Lillet Blanc.
Oh.
But I've never seen that before, and it's like, it sounds like a nice name.
Interesting. Is that a drink?
Yeah. So how do you want to do this? Do you want to share?
Yeah, we can do that. Alright. You want some?
Oh, you don't like it? This is spicy, but it's bland.
My review is I give this place a 3.5 out of 10. The pasta low-key did not hit in the slightest. No flavoring, nothing that stood out besides removing my lipstick. And the drink was okay, but it did give so I don't know if I would recommend the spot, but it was worth a try, so oh well. Chat, we're in Dollarama because I need a toothbrush and I also need water, but I'm not gonna get it here, low-key. We are in Dollar Store, right? And we're looking for we're looking for a coin holder of sorts. So right now we're in aisle 12 in the basket aisle, but I don't even see baskets here. So maybe we'll go to 2. We're gonna go to 2 because that's apparently where the plastic containers are. So stay tuned, chat. And nothing like this? Not an organizer?
No.
Insert cash or select payment type. $1. $1.25.
No bag.
Insert cash or select payment type. Thank you for shopping at Dollarama.
This is mother tongue that we're in. I'm still scared.
It's like a completely different vibe.
I know.
Oh my god.
I guess this is like a speakeasy though, eh? Ooh. We made it. Okay, y'all, so today is day 2. And we had to push back the time by 30 minutes because y'all know how it is. So we are gonna start the day at St. Lawrence Market, and then we're gonna go to Susie's Rise and Dine. I think that's what it's called. That's like what I'm most excited for because everyone says that it's so good. So I'm like, I guess I gotta find out. So we're going there, and then I think we plan to go to the CN Tower after, which is gonna be really cute, nice little photo moment, and also possibly TIFF. I don't know if I'll go to TIFF because I don't know if there's anything that's currently screening that I would want to watch, but I haven't really done a lot of research either, so you never know. And then after TIFF, a tentative idea is to go to the Toronto Reference Library and then also go to a cafe nearby, or that'll be break time before we have dinner at Pie. So yeah, today's gonna be jam-packed, but I'm so excited. So let's go. Oh, y'all, it is so cold, and like I know this, but I'm like, bruh, thank God I have my scarf to keep my neck warm, because I didn't even zip up my jacket. Like I didn't want to be late, so I just ran out the door. But I'm like, yeah, moving forward, I gotta zip my jacket up for real. This is not funny. I've been to the St. Louis market twice before, and I realized right now that I've actually never been to the main level. I've only been to the lower level. I see my friend.
Yeah, you have it?
The Carousel Bakery. They got a bunch of different breads. Everything here looks delicious. I feel like we should have ate before we came here. There are so many desserts. I would love to have the carrot cake, but I gotta be mindful. I got an apple fritter, gang. I got it from Carousel Bakery. I'm very excited to eat it.
This is not a banger.
Oh my god.
Peanut butter with chocolate chunk.
This looks so freaking good.
For real. Ooh, that donut. Let's see, strawberry mousse cake. Apple. Look at these like mini pies too. I know. Ooh. Okay, so I got the marshmallow brownie from Eve's Temptations. Here we are at Susie's. Let me see what everybody eating. This is such a nice spot. Thank you.
Oh my god, it smells so good.
See what's wrapped up there? We're fine?
So good.
Yes, please. And now we're here at the CN Tower. True tourist in action.
Oh my god, they worked 24 hours a day.
Yep.
I just love the color.
They have glass floors here in front of the art. Wow.
Is this your first time at the CN Tower?
Yeah.
Oh, where are you guys from?
I'm
Welcome. How long are you in Toronto?
And they have all of this art as well, which is super cool. And like there's a bunch of different things to choose from as well. Like if you're looking to get some t-shirts, this is like a fine porcelain mug. They also have journals, and then this is a t-shirt on full display. They have sweaters as well if you're interested in that. And this is Cody. He is Anishinaabe, and it says, inspired by the Grand River in southern Ontario, an important place for me to go and decompress and view the beauty of nature that the Creator has blessed us with.
Alright, so today is officially day 3. Today is going to be more so a maintenance day. I'm going to go get my braids done finally. I'm actually going to be doing Marley twists, which I have been wanting honestly for the last month. Like, getting an appointment has just been a bit of a hassle, so I feel like coming to Toronto is perfect timing because I can just get it done here. So I moved my appointment over, like, up by an hour because I was like, I am not leaving the house at 10:15. So my appointment is now 11:30. It's like maybe 10:50 right now, so I'm gonna head out. I'm probably gonna stop at Tim Hortons first just so I can have some tea and like maybe something to snack on, and then yeah, that's it. It is gonna be very cold outside. I got my earmuffs, I got my scarf, I got my puffer jacket from Uniqlo, and I got all the hair I plan to use for my Marley twist. So let's go.
Là, ça, on a parlé. Fatima, elle est là ou elle est là?
Okay, well, maybe. This is the chips and guac. I got burger and fries. Last bar of the night. It doesn't matter. La 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 la. Going at it tonight. Oh, I think a passion fruit margarita. I actually got the little garden. She is the moment. Shout out Canada. Alright, so I've taken a shower. I got my lotion on. As you can tell, like I'm not feeling too good. Yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup now. And this is my hair. Alright guys, let's go. I am already late. I am like 30 minutes late. I am walking right now to the Distillery District. I am at Lower Sherbourne. And I think I should be there in 15 minutes. The traffic is so bad right now, which is it's so sad. But I'm already late. I'm already 30 minutes late. So I better push it, child. We have 9 minutes left. 9 minutes until I make it. But I keep feeling like maybe I should just call an Uber. Okay, I'm very close. I just need to cross the street and then I'll be in line. Thank God, because I'm tired, chat. It's 3:29. On the website it says that there's free entry until 4 p.m. but apparently it's full inside. So I had to buy a ticket, which I'm like, feels very deceptive. However, it is what it is. I got my ticket, I'm in line. The line is very long, so I may be here for a little bit, but oh well. I'm finally in. It literally took 40 minutes. It's good. Made it to Balzac's. I got my lemon ginger tea with honey. Literally an hour and a half into the day. Finally got my tea. Merry Christmas and happy holidays.
I got curry rice with chicken. This is the takoyaki. And got curry rice. Vegetarian. All right, all our food is here. We're about to dig in.
Oh, sorry, just timed out there. 1 second.
On our way to the Meridian Hall.
Sing along! On the first day of Christmas, my true love.